Guys, so today I'm filming my first wash day video and it is with Boucleme. So to start off, I always comb out my hair before I shower. So this is all of the products that Boucleme had sent to me. So just rinsing the hair through and starting with the curl cleanser. I'm guessing it's like a shampoo. I tend to use quite a bit, I'm not gonna lie. I'm one of those people that more is more. And I do tend to do about 3 washes just to make sure that my hair is super clean. Just right off the bat, I will have to say that everything smelled super nice. Everything had a really nice smell, but it wasn't overly fragranced. I then went in with the curl conditioner, which was also really creamy. It just kind of glided through the hair and the curls were popping and locking. I also tend to go with like a second conditioner, and they had sent me the intensive moisturizer treatment, which was just an additional bit of creaminess, additional bit of conditioner to help soften the curls. And then I put on a shower cap just to kind of let the conditioner seep in. Once removing it, I take a wide tooth comb and I just wet it so it's like a wet comb on wet hair, and I just comb out the hair, comb out any bits of knots or whatever before washing it out. So once we are out of the shower, obviously there is shrinkage, but the hair was super soft. I was like, what? What is this? This is magic. I went in with the root refresh, the curl defining gel, and the curl cream. I tend to put in quite a lot of products before combing out my hair and before I dry my hair, just to make sure it's super soft and moisturized. And then I went in with my Wall 3000 hair dryer and dried that hair out, and it was absolutely amazing. So soft, amazing.